At Zero Surge, we specialize in providing surge protection solutions that seamlessly integrate into your products. Whether you're a manufacturer designing cutting-edge electronics or a company looking to improve an existing system, we'll help you incorporate the most reliable surge protection available through our OEM modules. The process starts when you contact us, either by phone, email, or our online form. Tell us about your product or system, and if you're dealing with sensitive electronics, motors, or equipment vulnerable to surges. Let us know of any problems you've been experiencing. We'll set up a call, video meeting, or even an in-person discussion. This is where we dive into your specific needs. Our team will ask questions about your system, such as the type of electronics involved, the power requirements, and the size of the product. We'll also assess the anticipated sales volume and the critical nature of your application. Once we understand your system, we'll recommend a product that fits your design. You can then order some modules to test in your system. During this phase, our technical support team will be available to assist you with any questions or adjustments you need to make. All Zero Surge modules are recognized components, making your final certification process easier. After you've evaluated the samples and approved the design, you can move forward with placing your initial order for production. A minimum order of 6 modules is required at this point and for future orders. Once your design is finalized, you can rest assured that your product is protected from surge-related issues. Contact us today to get started.